How to recover a hacked Instagram account? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you the official steps you can take to recover your Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, go to Profile, tap the menu, tap Account Center, select Password and Security, then tap Where you're logged in. Review the list of devices signed into your account and sign out of any devices you don't recognize. After that, go back to Password and Security, tap Two-Factor Authentication, then choose the Instagram. Then turn off the toggle next to SMS or WhatsApp. After that, tap Turn Off and enable it using an authentication app or your phone number to add an extra layer of protection. Finally, check your account details, including your email address, phone number, and connected accounts, to make sure nothing has been changed without your permission. And that's it. That's how you can recover a hacked Instagram account in 2025 and secure it from unauthorized access in the future. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips, account recovery guides, and security tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.